What's up, guys? Welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create an event on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Events. Here you'll see all ongoing and upcoming Facebook events in your area. To create your own event, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Start by giving your event a name. Then set the start date and time for when your event will begin. Next, choose if your event is in person or virtual. If it's a virtual Facebook event, make sure to add the participation details like the meeting link or streaming information. After that, tap Done. Now select your privacy settings. Choose who can see and join your Facebook event. For example, select Private if you only want invited people to attend. Tap Done again. You can also add additional event details and descriptions here if needed. Once everything looks good, tap Create Event at the bottom. Your Facebook event is now created. You can invite friends or share the event link directly from here. And that's how you create an event on Facebook Mobile. Thanks for watching.